What if I told you how to make $300 from the comfort of your home with just your smartphone? Yes, with just your smartphone. And you can make all this amount of money from just making posts on Twitter, currently known as X. I'm telling you from a place of someone that have made a lot of money from Twitter, over $100, $200, $300 in just 2 weeks from posting content on Twitter. I have 3 strategies for you to make money on Twitter, and I'll give you a bonus tip at the end. So watch to the end so you can get a bonus tip for free. And the number one way of making money on Twitter is by posting content. Yes, posting content. If your account is eligible, which is 500 followers and 5 million impressions and other criteria like the blue tick, you can make a lot of money from Twitter by just posting your content on Twitter. Yes, that's just it, legitimately. And one of the ways to make money is by getting verified content creators like you to comment on your post. That way you can generate a lot of money from Twitter. And if you do that consistently for like every day for the next 2 weeks, you will make roughly over $100 on Twitter in just less than 2 weeks. And before you know it, it's already over a month, and you can make $300 from Twitter. If you want me to break this step down a bit more, tell me in the comment section, and I'll definitely make a different video on how to monetize your Twitter account, how to get creators to comment for you, and how to make an effective amount of numbers on Twitter. And the funny thing about this whole this thing is that you don't really have to have a lot of followers. You can have like 1K followers, 2K followers, 5K followers, and make a lot of money on Twitter. Up to 5K followers, you can make up to like $300 on Twitter or $400 on Twitter. I'm telling you from someone that have made roughly over $300 to $500 on Twitter in less than 1 month. Yes, I made $300 to $500 on Twitter. And if you want to know how I did it, comment in the comment section. I will make a different video on how to monetize your Twitter account to make money. The step number 2 is being an affiliate marketer on Twitter. Yes, be an affiliate marketer. When brands or people that have products on Amazon, eBay reach out to you, yes, you cannot copy their link and post in your tweet. Example, you make a thread explaining a particular kind of content, and you attach their own content or their own link to the comment section of your own post. That way you're becoming an affiliate marketer on Twitter. That way, when they make any money they make, you have a commission of the money they also make on that particular product. And that's just for making your own particular tweet. That's so easy for you to make. All you have to do is just grow your account. When you grow your account and have at least a reasonable amount of following and good amount of engagement, and you reach out to these people that have stores on Amazon, on eBay, get their links, get the commission from them, and you attach it to your post. And any sale you make from your Twitter will give you a sale to yourself. And that's how to make at least cool cash for the comfort of your home. If you can accumulate that and do a good number, you can roughly make over $300 for yourself from the comfort of your home. I'm not kidding you. I'm not really trying to be any funny here. I'm not kidding you. Number 3 is by making sponsored tweets for brands. Like, yes, a lot of brands want to get their product in front of your target audience. For people that have niches, like me, that have a niche, I mean, my niche is about comedy, content, lifestyle, entertainment. Brands that want to be in my niche are available. They'll have to reach out to me and send me their product or send me their whatever, and I'll have to attach it to my own destination, to my own tweets. And that's how you can make money from sponsored tweets. Yes, you can make money from sponsored tweets. All you have to do is just grow your numbers effectively, have a good engagement, have a good clickbait, and every other thing will tap in with time, because that time the brand knows that you're an effective influencer and you're ready to push out their product to the target audience. That way they're not wasting their money on any influencers or any adverts on Twitter, on Instagram. They're pushing to the actual influencer that have the actual customers that they need, and you're going to get paid for it, roughly over $100 for making just one tweet. If you know how to target yourself properly, if you know how to place yourself properly on the market, any brand that can afford you will reach you, because if you place yourself well on the market, the brands will reach out to you. Yes, so all you have to do is just get your numbers up, get your engagements up, and arrange yourself, package yourself in a way that the brands will know that you are worth to be paid $100 or $200 over time posting on Twitter. I have a bonus tip, like I said earlier. I have a bonus tip for you, which is making your own product, promoting a digital product like your own. Like me now, I know how to grow Twitter accounts. I know how to make Twitter accounts effective. I sold the course around last year on Twitter on how to grow a Twitter account, and it got over 1,000 reviews from customers, because that was a product I sold of my own. That was my own product that I sold out to customers on Twitter on how to grow a Twitter account effectively. And yes, that's how you can make money from Twitter for the comfort of your home. $300 is a lot of money for you not to make in 2024. Let's run down a bit before we round up this video. Number 1, monetize your Twitter account. How to monetize your account is very easy. Like I said, I'll make a very detailed video on that earlier, much later in the future. I'll make a detailed video. If you want a detailed video, comment in the comment section. But I'll give you a little glimpse of it. All you have to do is have 500 followers, have 5 million impressions, and get a blue tick and be an eligible country like US. Almost all the countries are eligible, so be in an eligible country and you'll be able to make money from Twitter. And another way to make money on Twitter is by being an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketer is about referring your product to your consumers, which is your followers from a particular brand, like people that have stores on Amazon and on eBay, on Facebook Market. You can sell to your followers on Twitter, and that's how to make money. Number 3 is by sponsored tweets from brands. Brands have money to pay. They have money to give out to you, the influencer that has grown an audience on Twitter, on Instagram, on any app at all. So they have the money to give out to you if only you know how to package yourself well on the brand. And they know. Don't find out about these brands. They know how much you are worth, but they will not give you that amount. So it's left for you to decide that you are worth over $100, $200, $250, $300 for the brands to pay you. My bonus tip is selling your own product. What is that thing you're good at? One skill you're good at, you can educate people about whatever. You can sell that product on Twitter for people to buy. And yes, that's how you can make roughly $300 on Twitter. This video was so straightforward, right? I know. And that's why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can get videos that are straightforward, straight to the point, and very, 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 very detailed. Yes, my YouTube channel is about content about finance, how to make money, and every other thing about making money and finance. Yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video.